Hey subbies, I'm here to share with you what a wonderful joy reading is. There are no limits to the amount of adventures that you can go on when you open up a book. Whether it's an ebook or you're listening to an audiobook or whether you're reading a physical book, there are always journeys to be taken on, and you can even enjoy them in the comfort of your own home. In comfortable pajamas, what more can anyone ask for? Being able to go on a journey without having to spend a dime is priceless. The thing that I enjoy most about reading is what a gift it truly is, that when you're raising children, that you can instill in them the joy that reading is when you're sitting reading them a bedtime story, or whether you're wanting to give them the gift of reading through teaching them how to read. It is a truly magical, wonderful experience that anyone can enjoy the wonderful adventures that reading can take them on at truly any age. Another remarkable thing about reading is that you can find some amazing books at some truly wonderful places. I have found so many amazing books even at my local thrift stores, and that is a priceless experience because you can find some truly wonderful gems at truly beautifully bargained prices. I also enjoy that with reading you can enjoy it in so many different formats. I love reading physical books just because when I had learned how to read it was with physical books, and when I would go to my school's library in elementary school, they would only have physical books to read. But I am also enjoying listening to audiobooks, which I'm hoping to listen to many more audiobooks this year, because I like when you can even find audiobooks that are read by the authors themselves, or when you can find an audiobook where the narrator / author is truly giving an absolutely wonderful personality and character to the different characters in the books. That is an amazing experience that truly can affect an audiobook quality on so many levels. What I love most, though, that I've been doing a lot more of is sharing book reviews, and that can be an amazing experience to be able to give the gift of reading to others, to be able to positively influence them into picking up a wonderful book that they wouldn't have otherwise have known about. And I love being able to do book reviews as both vlogs and as a written review on my Instagram. It is amazing to be able to capture a different experience through different mediums. I really hope that you'll truly treasure the gift that reading is and be able to share it with your friends, family, and loved ones. Teach children how to read, or even go to the library and offer to read a book to children. That is an amazing experience because there is nothing more priceless than the precious gift of reading that one can give to others. Let me know in the comments what your first book was that you read on your own. I'd love to know. I'd love it if you'd give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and click the notification bell to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my amazing, wonderful, fantastic, fun-filled videos that I have to share with each and every one of you. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I don't want you to miss any of them. I also would love it if you would follow me on my social media. My Instagram is Comedy Creation. I love to share library hauls, book reviews, and some fantastic food photos. Be sure you're also following me on Instagram, because I also will post a countdown on my stories when a new video is going up. So when you click on the countdown, it will turn on a reminder and let you know when the new video will be going live in your time zone. Follow me on Twitter. My Twitter is Comedy Addict. I love to play hashtag games, but what I love even more is interacting with each and every one of you. You mean the world to me, and I truly appreciate all of the wonderful tweets that I get and all of the wonderful responses and reactions I get on my tweets. It is an amazing community to have flourished on all of my social media. The newest addition to my social media is my Facebook page. My Facebook page is Papa Apple. I love to share my latest YouTube videos on there, and I'm also going to be adding some book reviews on there as well because I love reading and I love being able to share my book reviews in so many different ways. All of my social media will be linked down below as well. I hope that you'll interact with me on all of my social media pages. I really hope that this video inspires you and that you're inspired to share the gift of reading with your friends, family, and loved ones. I can't wait to see you in the next video, subbies. Until then, sensational smiles, go for miles. Be sure to subscribe and stay a while. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, subbies.